हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइज, आज हम बात करेंगे स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। लेकिन इससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइज, आज हम बात करेंगे स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। फर्स्ट स्टॉक है हमारा MPS इन्फोटेनिक्स। शेयर प्राइस, स्टॉक एनालिसिस एंड रिकॉर्ड्स। कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। MPS इन्फोटेनिक्स विद टारगेट प्राइस ऑफ ₹30। द करंट मार्केट प्राइस ऑफ MPS इन्फोटेनिक्स इज ₹1.15। ऑपरेटिंग इन IT सॉफ्टवेयर सेक्टर, industry, IT consulting and software. Okay, let's move. MPS Infotex share price. This is a technical chart. MPS Infotex current market price of 1.15. With a target price of ₹30. Insight MPS Infotex Limited losing shareholders money. Company has reported a negative ROE for 3 consecutive years. Source consolidated financials. PAT. Troublesome times. Company has posted a loss of ₹0.43 crore for the fourth consecutive quarters. Source consolidated financials. Stock returns versus Nifty Small Cap 100. Stock gave a 3 years return of 1050 of 0.0% as compared to Nifty Small Cap 100, which gave a return 57.63% as of last trading season. Employee and interest expense. Company has spent 153.01% of its operating revenues towards interest expenses and 63.21% towards employee cost in the year ending 31st March 2021. Source consolidated financials. MPS Infotex news and analysis. Okay, financials. Quarterly annual December 2021. Total income 0.94. Total income growth plus 596.43. Total expenses 1.41. Total expense growth minus 4.11. EBITDA minus 0.48. Profit after tax PAT minus 0.43. EBITDA margin minus 50.96. Net profit margin minus 46.22. Basic EPS ₹0.00. Technicals. Peer comparison. MPS Infotex FCS Software Alloyed Digital. टेक्निकल चार्ट, December 2021, 24 March 2022. MPS Infotainix plus 187.5 and FCS Software plus 6.67, Alloyd Digital plus 4.49. Okay, shareholding pattern. Category 31st December 2021, promoters 20.39, pledge 46.13, FIIS 0.00, DIIS 0.00, mutual funds 0.00, others 79.61. Mutual fund ownership, corporate action. About MPS Infotainix. Piyush Kumar Agrawal, Managing Director. Rachit Garg, Non-Executive Director. And then third, Ram Nivas Sharma, Non-Executive Director. Madhu Sharma, Independent Director. About MPS Infotainix. MPS Infotainix Limited, incorporated in the year 1989, is a small cap company having a market capital of rupees 434.06 crore, operating in IT software sector. MPS Infotainix Limited key product revenue segment include telecommunications services for the year ending 31st March 2021. Financials for the quarter ended 31/12/2021, the company has reported a consolidated total income of rupees 94 crore, up 596.43% from last quarter. Total income of rupees 13 crore and up 933.89% from last year same quarter. Total income of rupees 09 crore. Company has reported net profit after tax of rupees -43 crore in latest quarters. Okay, the company's top management includes Mr. Piyush Agrawal, Mr. Manoj Kumar Jain, Mrs. Madhu Sharma, Mr. Rachit Garg, Mr. Santosh Pradhan, Mr. Ram Nivas Sharma. Company has Nimani Garg Agarwal and Company as its auditors. As on 31/12/2021, the company has a total of rupees 377.44 crore shares outstanding. Okay, so guys, MPS Infotainix, the current market price of MPS Infotainix is rupees 1.15. MPS Infotainix with a target price of rupees 30. सो गाइज, आज के लिए बस इतना ही। कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए। नमस्कार। बोलो राधे राधे।